Kansas City, Missouri Mayor Quinton Lucas says that policy changes are coming because of a local surge in coronavirus cases and hospitalizations in the Kansas City metro. Now, more than 600 new tests a day are coming back positive in our 9-county area. New hospitalizations are up to 160 a day on average. Now, the Mid-America Regional Council says that there are only about 95 open hospital beds in the metro right now. While we wait for word from City Hall, Mayor Lucas hasn't said what the policy changes might be. And the CDC is out with new recommendations after the discovery that wearing a mask may not just protect other people, but may also protect you, the wearer, from contracting the coronavirus. Doctors at the University of Kansas Health System talked about the findings, which they say aren't so new.
For many reasons, there have been holdouts to wearing masks. One of those has been, well, it doesn't protect me. And now we have, our national organization that we look to for guidance saying that it does offer protection. But that is not really necessarily otherwise new data.
Dr. Hawkinson there speaking adds that a barrier is a barrier and masks can stop droplets from getting into your nose and mouth. By the way, spiking COVID numbers prompted a vote by the Shawnee Mission School Board, which opens the door to returning the district to all remote learning. KBC9's Martin Augustine has the story.
The COVID-19 numbers here in Johnson County, Kansas are almost to the point where the county health department could make a recommendation that schools such as Shawnee Mission North High School here return to remote learning. Now, that hasn't happened yet. It hasn't been mandated, but the Shawnee Mission School Board did take the step last night to formally follow the recommendations of the county health department. Now, currently on the Johnson County Health Department's dashboard, a page full of information about COVID-19, it puts the positivity rate across the county for COVID-19 at 14.3%. That information current as of November 7th. Now, that's a key number in the county health department's recommended gating criteria for schools. If that number was to hit 15%, go beyond 15%, well, the county health department's recommendation would likely be for all grade levels to return to remote learning. Again, that hasn't happened yet. It's not happening here at Shawnee Mission North or any of the other schools in the Shawnee Mission School District. In fact, Shawnee Mission here over the past few weeks has been gradually bringing students back to class. Reporting from outside of Shawnee Mission North, Martin Augustine, KBC9 News.
And by the way, the North Kansas City School District is considering switching back to all remote learning if the COVID-19 curve can't be flattened. In a letter to families, Superintendent Dr. Dan Clemens says the pace of new cases in the last 2 weeks is not sustainable and substitute teachers are limited. The superintendent adds that a temporary closure can be avoided if everyone does their part to prevent the spread of the virus. By the way, the KCK School District says that some winter sports can begin after the new year. School board members are voting to allow basketball, swimming, and bowling team practices to begin January 4th. All games will be live streamed. No fans are allowed. District will make a decision about wrestling in January. Pandemic has led to the cancellation of this weekend's Mizzou football game. Missouri was supposed to play Georgia, but the school announced this morning that the game has to be canceled because of COVID-19 cases for the Tigers. It's not known if the game will be rescheduled. Mizzou already has one makeup game against Vanderbilt. SEC may allow teams to make up additional games on December 19th, but that would be after the conference season's end. Meanwhile, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly says her main concern right now is the strain on hospitals and capacity issues. Over the weekend in Kansas, more than 70 people were hospitalized for COVID-19, and the numbers are growing. Kansas Health Secretary Dr. Lee Norman says hospitals are running into staffing problems, and not just from the surge in patients. Some healthcare workers are either sick or they're at home waiting for test results. Dr. Norman says getting your flu shot will help keep capacity down and ease the burden on staffs across the states. And we are continuing to watch for the very latest developments in the COVID-19 situation across the metro and across the country. You can keep up to date on air, online, and through our free mobile app.